Hello guys, in this chapter let's see what is EPS, Enterprise Project Structure, and OBS, Organizational Breakdown Structure. This chapter describes how to define the enterprise project structure that will be used to organize and manage the projects in any organization. EPS is nothing but hierarchical structure that identifies the company-wide projects and enables organizing and management of those projects. Here, if you could see EPS, suppose my company name is EPS and there are two different EPS nodes, and thereby it is getting divided into different projects, and each project will be divided further into WBS. And let's see what is OBS, Organizational Breakdown Structure. This is nothing but OBS represents management that is responsible at the EPS node of or WBS node of any project structure. Any organizational breakdown structure is a hierarchical arrangement of projects management structure. OBS is almost same as a resource pool. While resources are assigned to activities, OBS elements are associated with EPS, which was earlier discussed. So OBS will be linked to EPS, and each project manager will be assigned a project through the EPS and OBS structures. So let's see in Primavera how to create this EPS and WBS. I click on these projects to actually get into the project view, and to create any EPS, before creating EPS or OBS, let's understand the terminology of the structure. I go to the sample EPS here. This initial level 1 hierarchy is known as root level. These are called roots. So level 1 structure is known as roots, and each root will be divided further into nodes. So if you see this, these are level 2 structures are known as nodes, and each node can be further divided into nodes as well as projects, and each EPS structure will be dealt with EPS ID and EPS name and responsible project manager. This was created using the OBS, can be assigned to this particular EPS node or else project. You can even add the EPS. You can add the EPS using this add button. You can even delete, cut, copy. You would like to copy paste this one, you can drag this, you can cut this, and you can paste into other node, and you can change the levels using these 4 navigation buttons. So let's see how to create an EPS. This is a sample EPS which was built in with this Primavera tool. Let's create our own EPS now. I go to EPS, click on EPS, I close this root level, and now add a new EPS. So I want to have an entire EPS structure, so I'm moving this to the left side so as to create a new root level. So here you can see it. I'm calling it as DP as ID, and EPS name would be DP tutorials. So this is our organization name, and this will be further divided into add. I would be giving India projects. Okay, and be adding one more, calling it as USA projects. Okay, now under EPS I would like to further add other nodes. Add. So if add, it is going to the bottom level. So in order to get into inside India, I'll be clicking on this, sorry, so I can't get in this one under India node. So let's see how to do it. I click on this left button, first I will be getting close to this India project in the same level, then I will be pressing the right button. Now I'll be naming it as construction. In detail for this project name, construction. I press this, click add, oil and gas, add, infra, infrastructure. So this would be my construction, oil, gas, infra would be my Indian projects. So if you would like to further divide this construction, I go on add one more level inside construction and naming it as buildings, building, buildings. Insert one more and I will be calling it as industrial buildings. Got it? So this is how we create the EPS in Primavera. Now I'm closing this. Would like to copy these buildings into oil and gas, just cut this project, this EPS node, and paste it by selecting the other EPS node. Now I'm closing this. Now let's get into this OBS. So this is how our EPS will look like. And let's see how to create the OBS. I go to this enterprise tab and select OBS. So these are already installed OBS structure. So I would like to add. I'll be going to this add button, select, I'll be changing this level of OBS. So I'm right here now and typing as general manager. Okay, under this I would like to add further project manager. So I'm indenting it to the right side so that he reports to general manager. Now under project manager I would like to add construction manager, indent to the right, add, electrical manager, add, mechanical manager, add, PMO head. So this way add and assign responsibility here. So for suppose if I select some facilities, the responsibility will be shown here. How to add this? So once you create the OBS, close this, go to enterprise, view the enterprise here. Now I select India projects and I can assign the responsible manager for the Indian projects. Now I am selecting the general manager for this, plus button. Okay, so now close this. Now I added India projects for the responsible under responsibility of general manager. Close this. Now if you go to OBS, you can view here what is responsibility of general manager. These are the Indian projects, and under Indian projects these are the EPS nodes. So this is how you can see the OBS structure as well as EPS interlinking with each other. So I hope you understand the EPS structure and OBS structure. In the next project we will see how to start creating a new project. Thank you guys. If you like my video, please do subscribe.